for this one, a highly requested video on slow motion skating jumps. Hope you guys are ready for this one. First, we have the waltz jump, which takes off on the forward outside edge, rotating 1/2 time in the air. The Salchow jump takes off on the left back inside edge, using the free leg to propel yourself up in the air. You can do this with either a 3-turn or a mohawk. The toe loop is our first toe jump, whereas the Salchow was an edge jump. We are transferring our weight to our toe pick to take off. The loop jump is another edge jump. We are taking off and landing both on the right foot. For our flip jump, we are taking off backwards on a back inside edge, launching ourselves up in the air on our toe pick. Our last single jump is the Lutz jump, which is super similar to the flip jump except for the fact that you take off on a back outside edge. Be sure to like, subscribe, and save. Give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.